Alright, so there's a brand new wig cheat code that is blowing up right now, and it's like nothing I've ever seen before. It's supposed to help your wig stay in place all day long without any type of glue or adhesive, and it's even supposed to help your wig from sliding back, which I'm so hesitant on the next claim too, because you're supposed to be able to put your hair up into a ponytail, but we're gonna really go in and I'm gonna spill all the tea with you guys today and test it out. So if you guys are interested, then let's get into it. So to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about, I ended up picking up this wig from RPGSHOW. This is going to be linked in the description box down below if you guys want it. It is their Dominic 36 wig. It's a beautiful blonde wig. It's 20 inches long, 100% human hair, and it has a pre-plucked hairline. It also has a Swiss transparent lace, so it has that lace that we love that blends into the skin really nicely and actually matches my skin complexion. And inside of the cap, it's a 13x6 glueless fit, and it has a nude face scalp on the inside, so it literally looks like your own scalp. Even before you have a wig cap on or add any makeup, it already looks like your skin, and you don't have to use any of these things because it looks so natural already. And this isn't just a pretty blonde wig, this is the perfect example of the wig that locks in without any type of glue. Because one of the hardest things of buying a wig online is actually getting a cap that fits you perfectly. If it's a little bit off, what can end up happening is your wig is gonna slip and slide, or you could have the lace in the front actually ripple, which is so annoying and like a dead giveaway that you're wearing a wig because the lace just looks off. Especially if you're gonna spend over like $100 onto a wig, that's enough to scare anybody off whenever it comes to the measurements. If you don't know your measurements and you don't want a wig that doesn't fit, that would scare me too. Like if I'm gonna spend over $100, I'll be terrified whenever it comes to that option at the checkout page. That's why this upgrade that everybody's talking about is the cheat code to having a wig that fits perfectly without having to actually measure. So let me show you guys the inside of this cap and exactly what I've been talking about. Let's spill the tea finally. So this is the brand new Fit Lock drawstring. It's here at the bottom, and think of it as like a hidden little cinch. Whenever you tighten the wig, it automatically like molds to your body. So it's like almost like a corset, like it just molds to your head. That means the transparent Swiss lace lays super flat onto your forehead and the temples, and the wig simply just does not budge. And that's why you're supposed to be able to put your hair up into a ponytail without anybody being able to notice that it's a wig, because it's so like tight to your head that it gives that illusion of natural hair. Now let's test this all out and see if it's actually real. Okay, so I'm going to put on the wig and we're gonna test this out, but honestly, tell me another wig company that's doing this. I haven't seen one, so I'm really excited to see if I can put my hair up into a ponytail. All right, so this is what the wig looks like on. It looks so pretty. I love the color. I'm gonna pull up maybe some curls into it later, but this little wave is so beautiful. It's stunning. I love that there's roots. It keeps it natural because underneath my hair is roots, and I really, really like this. It's not too much roots. It's the perfect blend. The hairline looks so good. The scalp, perfect. But what I wanted to share with you guys is the drawstring. So let's just take this as like a corset and we're pulling the string and tightening it. And it's supposed to just fit around my head. I can actually feel it. I don't know if I can go a little bit more. Yeah, that's nice. I'm gonna tuck the drawstring underneath the wig. And the drawstring feels a little bit different compared to their last one, I think, that I showed you. I think they just like updated it. I think it's new because I don't remember it being that tiny, but it feels so snug to my head. It feels like this wig was made for me. Oh yeah, this fits me. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna test out the first one. You're supposed to be able to like move around in like your daily task and it not budge, not move without any type of glue. Honestly, I feel like I have glue because of how the wig is just like holding on to my head. It really is just like stuck there, but I feel so odd whenever I do this, but I'm really trying to like show you guys if it budges or moves. It's not budging. It's not moving. It's not doing anything. It's staying in place, which is so freaking amazing. I feel like I could walk out of the house and nobody would be able to see my hairline peeking through. I would not have that problem. I always have that problem of like adjusting here. I went out once with one wig where I didn't use any type of glue, and the whole night, I swear probably everybody knew I was wearing a wig by the end of the night because I was done with adjusting my wig and it showed all of my hairline. It was terrible. That is not going to happen with this wig. It is stuck. It is good. It feels like this wig cap was made for me. I love that. Now we're going to get into the part that I'm very hesitant on, and that's the ponytail. That's where I'm like, I don't know about this one. Like, I think, yes, it is like nicely molded around my head. I don't know if that's the word, but like it is perfectly around my head, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to lift this and it's gonna look real. I'm not sure about this one. So let's try it out and see what happens. And just so that you guys can see, it has the pre-plucked hairline. It looks super natural, 100% human hair. Everything looks super pretty and natural about it. Let's try and put it up. All right, so to brush it, ew, this is dirty. Let me just fix that for a second. So to brush it, I'm gonna use this type of comb. It has a little bit of like this kind of boar brush stuff, but it's like vegan, so it's not real. And I'm going to brush it back and see if I can get the back up. So I guess you can put it up, like, you don't see the back. It is puffy in the back. I would leave that. Like when I leave this little bit of looseness, it kind of just doesn't show the bottom, but it does look like it's growing kind of out of my head. And so what I would do from here is I would actually take out these little pieces, like just a little bit of them, and I would snip them. So this way you have a little bit of hair that, like, you know how naturally we have shorter hair into the back of our head. I would recreate that. Like I like to do that for my side parts as well, just to kind of anchor the lace. I like to add, you know, some side parts and cut them really short. So this way it looks like natural hair, because our hair is not just one length. I find we always have these type of like baby hairs framing our face. So it does work. I cannot believe this actually worked. I think this is amazing. I did not expect this. Like, let me just move. It still looks good. And because I have like these little baby hairs actually that are natural, I could even pull out my own, maybe to create that natural type of look as well. So I'm just going underneath the wig and pulling it out. And like, even if you had like this into a clip, I think it would look really good. This is like the perfect, I understand now why like everybody's going crazy about this, because you can actually wear it into a ponytail and not have your lace lift or do anything. All right, so this is what it's looking like outside. It's really pretty blonde. It's very natural. The roots too are very natural. It doesn't look odd or bad at all. I find it so pretty. Actually looks a lot prettier outside than with my lighting in front of the window. If you guys want this wig, I will leave it linked down below. I'll even put a QR code here. And if you've been wanting a wig where you could put it up into a ponytail, maybe this was the cheat code for you. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye guys.